What is up, Indigos? It is your girl Natalia coming back to you live from my studio in San Diego, California. Today we are going to be talking about Clubhouse, and if you guys didn't hear, Clubhouse is now available for Android users, so if you don't have an invite, message me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is down below, so that way you can take advantage of this amazing booming platform for 2021 and 2022. In this video, we're going to talk about the new updates that Clubhouse has released, especially with this new launch and this new feature available for Android users, and as well talking about some of the issues that have arisen, and as well 3 tips to help you gain a following on Clubhouse. If you guys want other videos in regards to Clubhouse, like how to customize your profile, how to grow on Clubhouse, what is Clubhouse, here are 2 videos that could be helpful for you. But anyways, let's get on to this video. Now obviously, welcome to all the Android users. We're really happy that you're able to join us in this journey with Clubhouse, this amazing audio-based platform that you can easily grow a social media following and make some amazing business connections on. However, I hate y'all Android users because apparently that's where all the trolls like to hide. Yeah, trolling has become a thing on Clubhouse. We went from this amazing, beautiful, professional platform to literally a bunch of trolls and a bunch of certain interesting rooms, to say the least, with certain interesting noises. What the creators of Clubhouse are doing in regards to this issue that I have seen is that if you report these trolls or these rooms or the people that host it or make these rooms or even participate them, if you report the account essentially, they will be permanently banned, and Clubhouse does take this very seriously. And if you do get permanently banned, it's gonna take a minute for you to get your account back, which causes another issue if you accidentally get banned on Clubhouse. Some people might get their account banned due to them talking about controversial issues or somebody legitimately hating one of the users and trying to ban their account. And if you do get banned, just know that there is a customer support center where you can request to get your account back, but however, they're really strict on getting users banned and unbanned. But with that in mind, let's talk about 3 tips on how you can grow your following on Clubhouse and take advantage of the platform in the best way possible. Number 1 is to join rooms, but specifically become a speaker in one of the rooms and raise your hand, ask questions, etc. If you're trying to grow a following on Clubhouse versus learn on the platform, your best bet is going to be one of the main icons on the platform based in your industry. Whether that's entrepreneurship or fashion, get out there. Speak, do your thing, teach somebody, offer value to somebody, because the more eyes that you can get in front of on Clubhouse, the better your chances of gaining a following are. Number 2 is while you're speaking, make sure to customize your profile and customize your bio, and make sure you have your whole entire bio actually legitimately completed out. There are so many people that I have seen on Clubhouse that I personally wanted to work with and message them on Instagram, but they did not link their Instagram on their bio, which made it impossible for me to contact them. Which brings me to my tip number 3, please link your Instagram account. On Clubhouse, there's no way to contact you directly through DM. It's an audio-based, real-time platform. But if you do want to make business connections and even cross-promote and grow your following on Instagram, please link your Instagram page there. That way I can message you and collaborate with you, and on top of that, so we can see who the hell you are. But that is it for this video. Make sure to like if you enjoyed this video, and if you're an Android user on Clubhouse, or even if you're new to Clubhouse, make sure to smash that like button. But if you guys are interested in more Clubhouse videos, or even have any more questions about Clubhouse, need any tips, want to join one of my rooms, comment down below and smash that subscribe button too. But anyways, thank you so much, and I'll see you on the next video.